In this video, you can learn how to restore a property that is scheduled to be deleted on Google Analytics. It can be your website, web store, mobile app or web app. So let's get started with the process. Once you log into Google Analytics, you need to click the Admin tab on the left of the screen. And next, in the top, you need to select the account from which the property was deleted. And this is the deleted property, which we will be restoring. To continue, we need to click the Google Analytics property. And here, we can click this property settings section, or we can click this bin link. The property usually will be permanently deleted after 35 days from Google Analytics account, before which we can choose to restore it. Once we selected the checkbox, click the Restore button. And done, restoring the Google property in Google Analytics. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel to get video updates like this.